very simple to export a video. When you have your video exactly as you like it, everything is all set, it's time to export it and render the video. What you'll do is go over here to the export button. You'll see some default export settings here. 99% of the time, you're just going to want to make sure the MP4 is checked and then click export. You may or may not want to use the other settings if you know what they are. That's a little more advanced. Again, 99% of the time you're going to hit MP4. We hit export. That will open this little exporting progress bar where it shows you processing the timeline. Shortly there will be another window popping up that's going to show you a folder and ask you to give the file a name and tell you which file to place it in. We'll wait until this is done just so that we can follow this process all the way. Okay, and shortly your window will pop up. There will be a window popping up into your Documents folder. So in a few short moments, you're going to see this folder pop up to your Documents folder. And what you need to do is select the folder you want it to appear. I have an Easy Video Lab Projects folder there. And then name your file. You need to name your file here. So I'm going to call this my template, because this is not one of the templates that... This is going to be your default template, and you might want to call it Warren Buffett to remember it or whatever. And then you hit save. I'm creating this in Easy Video Lab 1.5.3. If you're, all right, and you're going to hit save. Hold on, let me open that file first. Hit save. And that will create the video. One note here, if you're working with the newer version of Easy Video Lab version 2.0, you have to append that file name with .mp4 at this time. So you don't need to do that with the early version, but if you're using Easy Video Lab 2.0, be sure you put .mp4 right after your file name in the file name to make that happen. That's just a little notation on the beta. In a few moments here, this file will be created and you will have a video you can post online.